Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Hope you're all well. Mate, I'm taking the girl out. Far out, it's been a long time. But look what is happening. Hopefully it doesn't rain and it's only a quick shower or something like that. But I had to go out on it regardless anyhow. So thanks for being patient. I haven't done any road videos. Hopefully we got dry roads, and thanks for tuning in, and let's go riding. I'll fill you in some of the stuff I've done on the bike if you're new to the channel. This will be a cold start for it. I've got the Motor Gadget bar end mirrors. I've got, mate, I love the sound of this bike. Fucking hell, it sounds amazing. I've got the Acro slip-on and the Ducati tune that comes with the Acro when you buy it from Ducati. I always get the dealers to put it on, and that way there's no dramas with warranty claims and all that sort of stuff. I've also got a USB and USB-C port, which is under here. There's the USB-C, and I got that off the dealer, got it off eBay, believe it or not. But they're a great thing, they clip onto your bar. I've also got tyre pressure monitors. It's raining now, it's fucking spewing. I knew that'd happen. But we'll see how we go anyhow. Hopefully it's only a quick shower. I've got tyre pressure monitors on the bike, as you can see just down here. And I swear by that, guys. It's definitely worth having that, putting them on your bikes, because you'll know what your tyres are running at.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. The brown stripe that I'm pointing to there, I'm trying to highlight it for you so you can actually see it. It's from the dump trucks, like the quarry trucks that go through this road every day. That's why it's so bumpy, and I'm just keep pointing to show the guys pointing down. I said if you hit it, you're going to lose your front end or your arse end, especially with some of the older bikes that are following me. Where this bike, you got a bit of give because it handles so well that if you get in a bit of a slide, it'll slide and then grip and you'll be right, usually, touch wood, you know. But to give you an idea how well this bike does handle, I wasn't going hard at all. Got through the bends, and I looked in my mirrors. I went, shit, where is everyone? Tom hit it a couple of weeks ago and ended up going out sideways on his Beamer. Tom rides a black Beamer with Nicky, that's usually on the back of him all the time. Nicky wasn't on the back that day, but if it was one of the older bikes, they could have had a good chance of high-siding it. But you see this stripe, it's all the way through these bends. It's a pain in the ass, because if that gets wet, it's like slippery as. It's like a film of clay through that section of the centre of the road. The thing I love about this bike is the front end on this bike is so fucking true, guys. It's better than my 21, hands down, that I had. I didn't like that at all, where this, I can't get enough of this bike. I don't think I'll ever come close to being able to ride this bike to its capabilities or anywhere near it. Probably not many people can, but it is definitely worth, if you've got the 21 model, go out and have a jump on the new 25, 26. I don't think 26 has changed, but you'll be pleasantly surprised, guys. It fucking handles unbelievable. This is an absolutely awesome section of road, truly. But there's a few things I'll touch on this new 25 model that I've got. They've got the 26 model out now, I'm pretty sure, and I don't think anything's changed on it. The quick shifter on this 25 model that I'm riding is amazing. It is no clunkiness, it's smooth as, you can be revving down through your gears and you're just clicking it through the gears and it just goes through seamlessly. It's amazing. It's truly on par with one of the best quick shifters I've ever felt. The brakes on it, next level, man. I believe it's better than the BMW M Competition Single R I had. That felt a bit fadey sometimes, where this, no matter how hard you brake into a corner, the front end stays straight, there's no fading, it's amazing. But what we're going to do now, I'm following Phil. He's on an older Honda, but feel free to make a comment, guys, if you can give him any tips on some of his riding, and he'd love to know as well. He's just started back on the road, so I'm hoping you're enjoying the video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, because there's a lot more videos coming up. Hey guys, the first thing I've noticed is it looks like the RSN, the suspension is way too soft, or it needs respringing, because it just seems to be getting that wallow in it, and like a bit of a whoa, here we go out in the other lane type of look. That's what I've picked up, but I'm sure Phil would like any of your opinions, guys, and so would I. If you see something with my riding that you say, oh dude, I reckon if you did that you'd be riding a bit better, happy days, guys. I'd love to hear it. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. The H2, I've had a bit of drama with, it's got a bit of a miss in the bike at the moment, and I'm just waiting on parts. That's an absolute beast of a bike to ride, I tell you. If you ever never ridden a H2, guys, go for it and throw your leg over one. But respect it, because those things can bloody kill you. They're mental. There's no other bike on the market like it. And they handle well too. I get that down to about 50, 52, 55 degrees for a big bike like that, and it handles real well. Only thing is, it's got a bit of weight. Mine's about 200 and I'd say 18 kilo now that I've taken the exhaust off and that sort of stuff, but it's pumping out 250 to the rear wheel horsepower. But anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks heaps for always watching and the comments that you do. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that. And as I always say, guys, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.